what is up guys, Michael Jack back here, and we're going to be opening my scooter. Just came in today, got it from the Volt Pro Scooters. I will put their video link in the description and their website in the description, because I heard about their video, or not video, YouTube. So let's get this part open right here. Alright, well, my mom just came downstairs. I'll probably just edit that out. Anyways, so we gotta get this open again. Alright, I'm trying to poke holes in it so I can get it open and start working. Oh, there we go. Woof. My finger just got trapped inside something. Oh, I see. Jeez. Oh, geez, this thing is huge. This deck is huge. It is so nice though. It comes with a little Volt package. Got grip. Yeah, it comes with a book of all the stuff and all the stuff that it has. This comes with another Allen key, the same one as the silver one that comes with pretty much every scooter. So let's just get that out in case I need it. And the clamp is already on. I thought I would have had to put that on myself, but all I gotta do is to untighten the clamp, connect the bars. So I'm just gonna get these out. So now I got like a bunch of Allen stuff, Allen keys and all that. Let's see, this one is same size. Also I have this, came with another one of those. So let's just take this box and throw anything in here that I need. There's mate. It came with some TV stickers. The Volt came with stickers from the Volt. I'll set that right there, and I will set this pamphlet right here, and I'll probably just throw everything I don't need on the ground. All right. Well, I'll be back. I gotta get some scissors. I got my scissors. I'm gonna have to cut these little white wires off that I hate. Like, I hate them because they're really annoying. Got one. And two. So this comes with stock MGP grips. This is just regular. For the Lone Wolf, they're orange. They got the little MGP symbol. These are actually like kind of. Let's see. Is this heavier than my original scooter? Well, it's a little light. Like these bars are, not as light as I thought. Alright, but they come 23 tall by 21 wide. And let's just take the stickers off, so I'll probably just speed it up. Well, I got the stickers off the clamp. It's pretty clean, and I gotta wipe off the sticky stuff from the stickers on the bar. So I'll be back. Well, wetting it didn't work. So I'm gonna show you guys the deck once I take this little thing off right here that's in between the fork. So we have the regular MGP fork. I think these are, Jesus, these are bigger wheels than I had. These are actually pretty smooth. So these are, comes with the custom grip tape. Show you guys right here. Also, it comes with a pretty cool design on the bottom. It's a howling wolf, if you guys can't see. Yeah, I'm getting the light some more. So, there we go. So yeah, it comes with a howling wolf on the bottom. It's pretty cool. I think these are 110s, maybe 120s. Yeah, these are probably 110s. I don't even know. Comes, yeah, it's just a regular MGP deck. This is a 4.5 wide deck, I believe. Regular MGP thing right here, you know. And oh, it's actually pretty tight right here. I don't really feel like wobble. So I'm just gonna loosen the clamp and then I will get this on my scooter. Oh, jeez. Alright, so we got all the clamps off, or the bolts off the clamp, and this clamp does not want to come off. I just noticed that. I probably didn't even have to tighten it or loosen it. But let's just try to get this on. Try to get it on straight. Gee, I haven't ridden with tall bars. I used to ride 21 tall, like 21 height. 21 like tall and like, I don't even know. Like, this is really annoying. This will not go on. So guys, I will be back. I'm gonna get some help. Alright, we're back guys, and my dad got the bars on. I'm just gonna tighten the clamp. Okay guys, I got the scooter a while ago now. I've been riding it a lot. I went to the skate park for a while, and I still got my usual tricks on it, but I did finish it. It came out really nice. I dialed it some more. I had to get some help from my friend because I've never dialed a scooter by myself because I had a Walmart scooter first, but yeah. But this is how it turned out. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. The grip tape is really good. Style, and it's just so nice. I love this thing. It's so much better than my last one. I got rid of my last one. I gave it to this one younger kid. But yeah, I love this scooter. So thank you guys for watching. So please like, comment, and subscribe.